get the brakes off. I figured out what happened. Hey, anybody need an extra set of brake pads? This brake, these are the brakes that came off. As you can see, this came out, but as you can see, there was a catastrophic failure in the brake plate that broke off. And no, I did not hit this with a hammer. This was encased in there, and looks pretty. Something wild happened, and this clearly broke a long time ago because there's dirt inside here. If this was a clear brake, it'd be nice and clean. And as usual, the brake shoes fell off because this is the second. I don't know, man. Somebody just probably have a feeling somebody soaked this thing because this is dirt. Somebody was mud bogging with this thing, and there was plenty of juice left in here. But what the hell they did to break this off is beyond me. Now, this is stuck, so this should slide off. I assume it should slide off, but so far it's not. I have another one of these coming. I have some rear brakes, and I still have the brake drum. That's all I can do for now, except let it soak and hope the hell it comes off. Thanks for watching.